Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today's video is how to install and run Google Play Store apps on unofficial Windows 11. Unofficial Windows 11 means that if you have a PC of 4 GB RAM and an old processor that does not support Windows 11 and you unofficially installed Windows 11 by bypassing TPM error, then this video is for you all. As you have installed Windows 11 unofficially, now you wish to install Google Play Store apps also. So you might have also Google it on how to install Play Store apps and might have watched few videos also. I also did the same and watched few videos and tried those methods. At the end, I was able to install Windows subsystem for Android that was required to run Google Play Store apps. But what I get to see is that a pop-up comes that shows that it requires minimum 8 GB of RAM to run Windows subsystem for Android. I was confused. I thought that it was just a minor error or I did some mistake while installing or while following those methods. So again I started from scratch and got many problems in between, and somehow I finally installed Windows subsystem for Android. But what I get to see again is that the same error pop-ups that minimum 8 GB of RAM is required to run Windows subsystem for Android. I was totally confused what was happening after spending so much of time, after doing so much of change in my system settings. I am getting to see the same error again and again. Then I finally came to the conclusion that I am doing something wrong. And the thing was that we can't run Google Play Store apps on PC which has RAM less than 8 GB. Yes, if you have a laptop of 4 GB RAM, then it is not possible to install and run Google Play Store apps. A minimum of 8 GB RAM is required with Intel Core i3 8 Gen or above, and if you have AMD processor then it's Ryzen 3000 or above. I watched so many videos but nobody told about the requirements. But it's my job. So if your PC does not meet the requirement, then don't waste your time doing all these stuffs. It's still now not possible to install Windows subsystem for Android to run Google Play Store apps on PC that have low connection. So don't do such stuffs and change unnecessary system settings. It might make your PC unstable. So before doing such stuffs, see all the requirements and then go forward. Hope this video was informative and helped you. Thank you for watching the video.